Meaning of goaltender.
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 Goaltender. A goaltender, also known as a goalie or netminder, is a hockey player position tasked with defending their team's goalpost from the opposing team's shots. They are typically the last line of defense and play an important role in determining the success of their team. A successful goaltender must possess quick reflexes, excellent puck handling skills, and the ability to read the opposing team's offensive strategies. Their performance is crucial to the outcome of a game, as they serve to prevent the opposing team from scoring goals, ultimately deciding the victory or defeat of the game.